Install heating column and help arm. Connect the power supply and air supply. Install central oil. Aim it to the turntable century, then lock it. Press tire with bead brake to the side at rim's smallest diameter. Move heating arm backward. Open column to the position larger than rim diameter. Press steel rim with central oil. Step pedal twice. Release central column and lock steel rim tightly. Lock and position demounting head tightly. Press tire under demounting head. Rotate the turntable, separate rim and tire. Lubricate rim and tire. Keep a distance of 2 to 3 mm between demounting head front rim. Insert level into tire. Move pressing disc opposite to mounting head. Press tire and raise level with level. Rotate turntable. Demount tire. Raising tire with pressing disc to steel rim's smallest diameter. Demount low side. Lubricate rim and tire. Press tire behind the demounting head with pressing disc. Press tire to the smallest diameter with pressing disc, then install. Inflate tire fully.